Oh boy, YouTube, what do we have here?
KC turbos.
What do you think we have here? Let's keep all this together and give me one sec. Alright, YouTube, here we go, the grand reveal. Let's take a look at her. Oh yeah. Let's put it right up here. Ah. We just forget how heavy these damn turbos are. Let's position this in a way it's not just gonna fall though. Yeah, like right there. Nice. Oh, YouTube, look at this. Man, this is what I should have got from the beginning. Nice. Yep, see? No play. No in and out play. A little up and down, side to side play, but nothing that's not supposed to be. And this is quality right here, YouTube. This is quality. Let's see what else came. I'm honestly probably gonna keep it in here just because I don't want anything to happen to it. Got this, which I'm assuming, yeah, that's just the beginning pipe because it's got the bigger inlet. Alright. Yep, we got the connector. We got it all, YouTube. We are ready to mumbo. So, here we go. Oh yeah, she's been sitting a minute. I gotta pull all the pipes off. I might try to get away with not pulling the pipes completely off. We'll see. Probably not gonna work. Let's get right on it. Yeah, that's it. Let's get right on it. Let's get this turbo installed. Doubt it's gonna happen in 2 or 3 hours, but let's see how far we get. If I can at least get it situated, that would be pretty nice. So let's get you on the tripod. Let's get this new turbo installed. Oh boy, YouTube. Hope I did everything. That's drier. What they say, it'll either work out really good or really bad. First crank with the new turbo. Commence. Sounds okay. You let that turbo get